Welcome back, everyone. Crypto Patrick here. I'm going to do a quick video for you guys today on the market as a whole because there's a lot going on right now. I know on CoinMarketCap we've been seeing a sea of red, and a lot of people are probably wondering, where will this market go? You know, which coins are going to stay in this ocean of red that we're seeing right here? A lot of coins are under 10%. You know, and are they going to stay this way? Is it because of the Asian New Year that's going on right now? And another question we'll be taking a look at is, where should you guys invest in this market? And is this a second market crash? A lot of people are thinking this is a second market crash going on. It might reach under $400 billion. I mean, we've seen a lot of coins down right now. A lot of things are going on. But is this a bad thing? Is this a good thing? Well, we're going to get into that right now. And before we do that, guys, I want to make sure that you guys hit that like button if you enjoy my videos, if you like my giveaways. I do XRP giveaways. Even on this video on Friday, I'm going to do an XRP giveaway. So if you guys like getting like seeing these videos and like the giveaways and like the content, hitting that like button goes a long way. So please do that and subscribe. And definitely start that conversation and put your Ripple address in the comment below, because I bought some Ripple for next Friday too. If you guys look at my bio, I'll have a little link in there. And it's a good idea to subscribe because I do live streams all the time. I have my friend Sean on here. We show you how to Bitcoin mine and make profits so you can start investing in all these top 100 coins, top 200 coins, and not have to use your own money all the time. So let me know what currencies you hold right now. Are you scared that any currencies are going to dip, way below, and you're trying to sell them out right now? Is there any, are you scared about this? What currencies do you think will rise during this this dip that we're seeing right now? We've been basically seeing during the mornings, we've been seeing green in the mornings, and then slowly as it gets towards night, people selling off and getting more red towards the nighttime. Excuse me. And but yeah, so there's not been a lot of movement today. There's just been a little change. I mean, we saw the market cap today is 510 billion. It was about 32 billion earlier. Or no, yeah, I think it was 32. We had 32 billion in trade volume. If you look at the market cap right here, I don't think it rose too much today. We'll just kind of take a look at it right now so I can show you guys the big changes that happened. So it kind of dipped low to 29 billion. Now it went up to 32 billion. So it hasn't made much. Just like a couple $billion right there. Nothing too crazy. But looking at, I'm going to show you guys the trade volume real quick over 24 hours, because the trade volume went up a little bit, and that's a good thing. The market is still a little bit healthy right now. And so look at right here, guys. It was at 29. I think we're at 29 billion in trade volume, and then it went up to 32. Am I looking at the same one? Yeah, 32 billion. And then look at the market cap. So the market cap is what I actually wanted to show you. I don't know why I showed you that one. All right. So we come right here. We're at 494 449 or 489 billion, and then we went up to 528. I think we saw 535, 530. It was 532 earlier when I looked. But yeah, it's still pretty healthy, guys. Bitcoin didn't change too much today. It didn't go below $9,000, which is good. It stayed around that healthy 10,000 mark, almost hitting 11,000. The market right now, it didn't change much. It's not doing bad. We do have that Lunar New Year going on, and if you guys are new to this channel, basically the Lunar New Year is a mass migration in Asia right now that's going on. You can just Google it, and people they're taking all their money, like $100 billion outside of the U.S., and spending it. They're migrating. It's just like Christmas for Asia right now. For all the people that don't know about it, you can just type it in right now: Lunar New Year Asia mass migration. I mean, it's all over the internet. If you guys look, world's largest human migration begins the Chinese New Year. You guys can kind of look at that if you want, but there's a bunch of articles on this, and it's going to be going on for the next 2 weeks. That's why I think around probably early February, mid-February, early March, we're going to see the market start bouncing back. There's been that $100 billion pullout. There's lots of bleeding going on in the market. We'll probably won't be back until Valentine's Day. We need about 70 billion in trade volume. Right now we know it's about like 32 billion. So yeah, 32 billion. We need about 70 billion there. On the market cap here, we need about 800 billion, 750 to 800 billion for the market to be healthy. And why is this going down, you might ask? Well, you know, a lot of things is this over the weekend. It's Monday. There's been a lot of sellers happening. There's been a lot of weak hands happening. Wall Street and the people on Wall Street and the hedge funds are just getting back, and they're probably selling off a lot of their from the weekend, and they're selling off a lot of their stock. You know, I know there's been some big things with Wall Street happening. I think March will be fully back to moonshotting. There's going to be a lot more coins shooting up right now. If you guys are new to investing, I would hold. Do not sell right now. Don't try to take this small profit or take small losses. You should hold on because a lot of these coins will bounce back up. We're going to kind of take a look at them here in a second. And one of the ones I want to show you guys first is a Siren Labs token. And this is kind of a one that did really, really good today. And I'll just show you the chart of where it's been in the last 7 days. So if you guys look right here on January 20th, this was 181, and then it shot all the way up here to 350. And that's really big, guys. This is one of the biggest gainers of today. And Siren Labs is the first blockchain all-in-one PC with additional power through peer-to-peer resourcing. It's like a resourcing protocol. They have a smartphone. It's like a blockchain smartphone with cloud storage, a crypto wallet. It has a distributed ledger. You know, it's about hitting that $4 mark. 2 days ago, it was that 150. You know, we were looking at I think it was 150 2 days ago on January 19th. I think this has it's going to have some peel back soon, but this has This is like a $10 billion potential, guys. You can possibly make 30x on your profit here. Obviously, you want to buy back when it pulls down a little bit, but at this market cap right now at 332 million hits, I think it could hit 10 billion in 2018. That could be a 30x potential. You just want to buy on the small crashes. Just, you know, buy when it dips. Obviously, it could dip then and shoot back up, moonshot back up. But that would be something really to look at, guys. And then one of my favorite ones that I'm going to do a video on later is Ripple. It's at $1.27 right now. 2 days ago, it was 167. If we take a look at it, and I'll just show you guys so you can see the chart. So we'll look at it right here. 7 days ago. So yeah, it went up to 167. I'll show you right here. So 167. Where are we? 168 right there on January 19th. And now, you know, it's at 132. You know, I think that I think if it drops again to 120, then, you know, it goes under $1. I think that's definitely the time to buy. Obviously, it dropped down to 90 cents before. That would have been a perfect time. There's been some news coming out with Ripple that Visa might be, you know, trying to compete with them with their B2B partnership. So if Visa competes with them, they might, you know, have a little bit of competition, but still Visa might try to charge high fees, and, you know, Ripple they might still beat them with these low fees and fast transaction times, guys. So this is definitely, Ripple's always a good one to watch. I'll do another video on it for my next one, but I want to show you next Neblio, because this is a good one too. You know, I had an all-time high of $60, guys, and right now I think it is at $1. Or right now, what are we at on Neblio? We're at $20.38. And basically, it's open source and blockchain. It's an open source and blockchain for businesses, decentralized. This is a good buying opportunity right now at 18% down. This is definitely, I would definitely look into Neblio, guys. This is a really good one. We saw a high of $60. I think it'll go back to $30. Let's just take a look at some of these prices right here. So here's $30 on January 17th. You guys look right here, $60 on January 9th. I mean, this is a really good opportunity, guys. Neblio is always going to be in the charts. Remember, it has, I think that's a good one. All these ones I'm showing you right now are ones that I believe in and invest in. And I usually take my mining profits from BITCLUB Network. Genesis, I looked into a lot of cloud mining and hash mining, but basically this is the one I do at BITCLUB is way different because you can repurchase, you can mine for life, and you can start taking your profits and invest in other ones. Like Genesis Mining doesn't even have contracts right now. And BITCLUB's like way higher paying, so that's why I always promote it. If you guys are wondering why I'm always promoting BITCLUB, that's the reason. And Substratum, this is a really good one for you guys to take a look at right now. We can look at the 7-day. There's a lot going on here. I mean, we've seen some lows where you could buy in at 85 cents, and then on, you know, January 21st at 157. A lot of people are wondering, what is Substratum? Well, it's kind of like a decentralized internet where you can allocate power from your computer, and it's going to take power away from dictatorships that don't want you to use the internet, you know, like North Korea or, you know, China with the firewall. And, you know, right now we are at $1.12. And this is about a 3x opportunity, guys. And once we hit that $800 billion mark, maybe after the Chinese New Year, and you should buy when it drops below $1. That would be a good buy. You know, this thing is definitely worth $4. We've seen some pretty good potential on it. It's been over $3 not even that long ago. I think about less than 10 days ago it was over $3. And Substratum is just a really good one, guys. Let's look at the month chart right here so you can kind of get an idea of where it was. You could get it like super cheap. Then it then it went to 230, then it went to 3. Now it's back down here at 116. But this, like, places that are definitely trying to censor, you basically take power from your own computer, and then it makes like a free internet because you're giving up some of your power, and then you get tokens in exchange. So I think it's a pretty good utility. You always want to look at coins with good utility. Funfair, this is the next one I want to show you. This is a blockchain for casinos. It's at 92 cents right now. And basically, this was at 19 cents. Yesterday, it was or 2 days ago, it was about 11 cents. There's been a lot of price movement on Funfair. And, for casinos, I live in Las Vegas. It's a big, I'm from California, but I live in Vegas right now, and there's a lot of casinos. It's a huge industry. I mean, there's casinos all over the world. This is definitely really good. Look at, we're seeing 13 cents here on January 19th. We saw a high right here of 19 cents, and now kind of consolidated down to 9 cents. This definitely could be a good opportunity too. And then another one, this exchange, you guys, KuCoin. This one has a good, it had an all-time high of, I think it was like $21, and now it's $7. That was one day, a couple days ago, it was $10. We've seen some good change. We've seen some good things on here. And if you guys look at what is KuCoin? Well, if you go on KuCoin, it's this really cool exchange where you can buy. They have a lot of different things on here. Let me see if I can show you real quick without signing in. Use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo. I mean, they have a lot of weird coins on here that are good. It's not as big as Binance. Like, Binance has their own coin too, but this one's actually a really good one too. So I would definitely check into this if you guys want to buy some coins. And if you invest in this one, I think the more coins they add. I know they were adding a few more coins to the mix that, like, I think it was like Tron or a few other ones that were like trying to get on there. But I think this coin will definitely go up. It has a lot of good potential here. If it goes up to that $20 mark again, and if you look back right now at KuCoin, $7. I mean, that could be like 3x potential right there. Let's see what else. Our $20 potential 3x game. And it kind of broke a line of resistance too before, guys. Let me just show you one thing I kind of forgot to show you. So we're right here. It hit 822. It already broke this line of resistance, hitting, it used to be at 880, and now it went down here. So that could be a really good gain if this goes back up again. I think this will go back up when the market goes back up. We got to always remember, guys, 850, when this thing goes up to 1 trillion, all these coins that have good utilities are going up. So just keep that in mind. And then that takes us to our next exchange coin. I'm going to look at Binance coin. Binance is a popular exchange. Some people couldn't go on there right now, but it had an all-time high of $24. And there it is, $24 right there on January 12th. This coin is the superstore of all the cryptocurrencies. I mean, I think they're just adding cryptocurrencies like crazy. This has $10 billion potential, guys. Look at the market cap right now is... Look at that one. Look at, there's $1 trillion, or what is that? 1 trillion or 1 billion. I think this could be $10 billion easily in 2018. I mean, this is like really good. This is a really good coin, guys. $10 is a good buy for it. $12 right now is a little high. I would wait for it to go down a little bit. If it hits $10, definitely, you heard it first. Crypto Patrick right here. Buy that coin. That's a good one. Besides that, one of my favorite ones I do videos on all the time is Tron TRX. And, this has seen a high of 30 cents. Right now it's at 6 cents. It was at 7 before. We're going to see Tron go up, guys. They are a decentralized internet. Justin Sun made it. He released content. They're trying to release content where YouTube doesn't censor you. YouTube right now is censoring everyone. They censor people for having music on there. They censor people for opinions they don't like. Do whatever you want in your life, but the way people get censored on there, it's not really free anymore. It's just like a TV, and like you have to have, I have a lot of people that watch my videos, but imagine someone that doesn't have 1,000 subscribers or doesn't get like, I think it's like 7,000 hours a year of views, then they don't get partnered. They're not allowed to have advertisers, and this gives power back to the people. I really believe in it. You know, I think that we can see some huge gains on here, 3x. We could see this go over $1 easily. You know, just there's a lot of hype around Twitter. They said they're going to space. From Alibaba, there's a lot of people joining it. Tron is just one of the best, guys. And we'll just look at some of the charts right now just to show you the last 7 days. Look at that right there, 11 cents. If you look at the month, I'll show you an all-time high of, there's 25. I'm trying to get right on the 30 if I can. If I can get to 27, but around January 5th. I mean, this has gone pretty good, guys. Tron's going to go somewhere. $4 billion market cap right now. Trade volume is a big supply, but there's a lot going on with that. That's doing good. You guys have probably seen Neo. Not Neo from the Matrix, but Neo's all over there. It's automated smart contracts. You know, this one is $116. Right now, all-time high was $184. You know, I would buy it under $100 if it dips some more during this market crash. If it dips about 100, that would be definitely a good buy. Look at, we've seen down here, people got it for, you know, 71 cents, and then it went to 43, and then it went way up here to 161. Now it's back down, guys, to 112. This is when the market goes up, this one's going to go up too. It's definitely a really good one. Now we can look at ARC, Tony Stark's ARC reactor. This right now is $5.45. It's definitely hit $10 before, and ARC is pretty good, guys. It has like really fast, I think 8-second blockchain times, and it's just kind of a really fast, you know, kind of like a Ripple almost, but just really like, but for blockchain. And right now it's around $5. You know, it's seen the all-time high of 10, and that was on, I don't remember the date, but I think it was September 14th. Was that September 14th? Let's see. I'm pretty sure this all-time high was 10. So let me peep out in the 1 month. Just give me 1 second here, guys. Can't remember exactly. Yeah, look at $10 right here on January 10th. And then it went all the way down to 5. So, I mean, we could see 2x potential when this goes to 8, when the market goes back to 800 million. So that one's a really good one to look at. Next one we'll take a look at will be Wax. Let's take a look at Wax. And Wax is for in-gaming, decentralized marketplace. It's kind of like what they do with skins on the internet for like World of Warcraft. You can buy things. It's a really good little marketplace coin. You know, it's at 89 cents right now. It had an all-time high of $3. I don't know if you can see it on here. Almost $3 right there on January 9th. But I know it was about $3 before, and now it's at 92 cents. This one will definitely go back up. We all know how popular games are, guys. So, I mean, I would put my money on this one for sure. We know we looked at Funfair. I want to look at that one more time. Let's peep it out. So, Funfair, beneficial. Yeah, basically, guys, we looked at this one. Funfair at 9 cents, same thing. I wanted to just make sure I went over this 1 point. Let's look at the all-time high. Let me see if I can look on their website. Last time, I couldn't get on their website earlier. Game-changing blockchain casino technology. I just think this one's big because of Vegas. Like, when I was looking at it earlier, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm thinking about buying some coins, some Funfair tonight, just because living in Vegas, it's kind of funny. But I don't know. Well, look, maybe I'll do a video on that one later, but I'm just kind of showing what I'm thinking right now. But basically, it's beneficial to hold, guys. Don't sell at a loss right now. That's not the way to do it. You know, we're going to see a lot of moonshots in March. There was another coin that did really good today. I think it's Syndicator. And it's like a trade analysis coin, but this one just shot up today if you look at the one-day charts. And I think it was like 30 cents as all-time high. I think it could shoot up to 50 cents easily. So this might be something to watch, guys. Look, it's 30 cents. Right now it's 29. Let's look at the month one for it. Look, it was super cheap. Went down on January 7th to 19 cents. There's been a lot going on with this. If you want to look at the website, it's kind of like a trade analysis one. I think in March, though, we're going to see the moonshots, guys. I'm going to do a little update on Ripple and the Visa competition, even though I think Ripple will still be in the game because they're with MoneyGram and stuff, but that's going to be my next video. And if you guys want to know how I make money, I'm not going to show you everything because I do live streams and presentations on it all the time, but if you join BITCLUB, this is way better than the cloud mining ones like Genesis, and I think there's some other cloud mining platforms, but BITCLUB Network, you actually get a GPU rig hooked up in your name, and you can take your commissions out for like 1,000 days A lot of these ones like Genesis are just like, you know, you buy hash power. This one you can repurchase back into the pool instead of taking your commissions out. So like if you purchase one of these pools right here, like a $500 pool for 1,000 days, it says 50% repurchase, but you can take so like out of your 1,000 days, you can take like $500 or 500 days out, and then not even that much. You can do like 200 days and repurchase and qualify for another 1,000 days, and then go to another one, and then eventually hit this founder where you get all these pools for and then you get Bitcoin, and then you can start using your Bitcoin that you're mining to start getting basically other coins. Then you can start using it on Binance and all these exchanges, and then it sets you up where you're not always using your own money, like working and stuff to go for all these coins, you know, and then you're not losing money all the time. You just do like a one-time investment of $500, but it does cost $100 for like a membership fee. But I think it's way better than cloud mining, guys, and that's just my opinion. They also have a GPU pool for 1,000 days. It says no repurchase, but they do repurchase too. So you can do Ethereum, Monero, Z Classic, Ethereum Classic, and then you can start buying all these Ethereum tokens. And this is probably one of the best ones. Why do I think BitClub's so good, guys? Because if you look, like Genesis Mining, all the other ones, they're not, when you go to like Bitcoin and all these other ones, Bitcoin hash power distribution, this is for the whole world. There's like a lot of distributions in like China, just a bunch of people around the world. But as a company, BitClub Network, it's usually around 1.8 to 3% of the world's hash power for Bitcoin. You don't see Genesis, you don't see any of these other ones on here. A lot of these other ones you can't join, but BitClub Network is right there, and you can do referrals. They have like a binary system where you get compensation, and these pools right here, it takes 30 days to set up, and you have to send over all in Bitcoin, and they're gonna start paying in Bitcoin Cash too. So like I've been paid a lot of money through this. My friend made like 21 Bitcoin so far, which is a lot, and it basically set him up for all these other trades, and now he's made $250,000. So I mean, I think this is one of the best ones, guys, to do. If you're in the US, it'll say, oh, you can't access this website, but all you have to do is use a Google Chrome switcher, which is right here, Google Chrome IP switcher. It's called ANONYMOX. There it is, ANONYMOX right there. It takes 2 seconds to download. You switch your IPA, and then you're ready to go. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm going to do another video tonight on Ripple. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you guys like my video because that helps bump me up, and I'll do way more giveaways. XRP giveaway on this video, you know it. For new investors out there, it's a good idea to watch because I do videos every day. And happy trainings, everyone. I'll end it with this little reggae song. Usually I play EDM, but I'm just going to play this song for you guys by Soulja.
This feeling I get, it's like I'm not
Peace.